Well, hello, Negan. Did you finally decide to show your face? Did you finally decide to show your face today? You sure did. She's doing all right, bud. Lucy's doing all right. Hey everybody, Jeff, Cedar Acres Homestead. It is Wednesday, February 19th, and it's still winter outside. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Is that all we got? Come on, guys. Oh, going back in. Well, that was the first time. That was the first time in 2 days that I've opened that door, so apparently they're not ready. It's 14 degrees outside, guys. Ducks are all up here. Uh-oh, maybe we got somebody coming out. Mr. Frazzle Frizzle Rooster. He's coming out. Well, hi, buddy. Yeah? What are you doing, Mama Kitty? What are you doing, Mama Kitty? Hi, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. Well, I thought we'd have more action coming out that door, but maybe it's because we're standing there. Good morning, boys. Good morning. I'm going to open up this door. I think this group's ready to come outside. Let's go let them out, guys. Well, hello. Come on, guys. Come on, chick. Come on, guys. Come on out. Morning, Georgia. Oh, now we're getting some birds. Betty the peacock come out. A few more guineas. Like I said last night, guys, told you I was going to open them up and let them out. It's supposed to, like I said, it's supposed to get up 20 today. I looked for the forecast for Sunday. I think it's supposed to, Sunday and Monday, I think Monday it's supposed to hit 40. That's going to feel like a heat wave. Then we'll go around and let these guys out. Take you along with me. Hi, baby. You ready to come out of this coop? Yeah, you coming out, babe? Good morning. See how many pop out of this coop. Right full of straw. Good morning. Got some repair work that needs to be done in there. Not major repair work, but they tend to spill their water. And I don't have that many chickens in here, guys. Like I said, I keep my long crowers in here. I usually let... Well, good morning during the day. But it's been so cold, they've been just staying in there, so... they're all ready for spring. Yeah. So we don't like to keep nobody locked up. Yeah. Sultans on the top there. And back in the corner I got some hamburgers and some more bannies. These, well, the 3 black ones in the front are some I hatched out. The 2 white long crowers and the black Jersey Giant, they come from the animal swaps. People didn't want them. They were giving them away. So we gave them a home. Yeah. And she's my only leghorn hen, and she also come from the animal swap. It's funny how you pretty much, like, you'll see the frostbite on his. What'll happen to that is that'll die off. But yeah, it's funny how the hens, you don't ever see it on the hens, just on the roosters with those big long combs. So, and you'll see his front, if I show you, his front, you'll see where the tines of his comb are already gone. They've already fallen off, so that's what it does. And you'll get that smooth effect. Like that Jersey Giant there. He's got a real smooth comb. He had that when I got him, so I'm assuming he got frostbite probably last winter. But the hens, nope. They all got their pretty little short combs. Yep. And of course, the ultimate cold weather bird, and that's what I'm really into, is those Sandjack long crowers in there. And you'll see their hats. And even the rooster in there, he don't. Of course, Sultans. And they said they're not a very good cold weather bird, but I've had good luck with them. But then again, it's kind of like a silky. They got all that tuff on the top of their head. Well, good morning. All right, guys. A little chicken talk this morning. We got some coming out over here. That is a Easter egg rooster. He actually came from, I think, the Tractor Supply store. He has more of like a rose comb, so he doesn't get that either. It's shorter, like a hen, so he does real well. Some, they don't want to come out, but they will make their way out. Got one naked neck hen. Of course, the frizzled rooster. Little frizzled hen coming. Remember what we said? We don't want a frizzle and a frizzle. So they should stay. The problem is they were together when we got them. And yeah, a frizzle and a frizzle makes a frazzle. And that can be an ugly bird. Can have problems too. Old Scobie's moving slow this morning. Yeah, he's stretching out his wings. We have had terrible luck with the Muscovy ducks, and I love them. But I think I had 5 of them last fall, and yeah, and they can fly, and they can fly pretty good, but they seem to not, if there's a predator, I don't know if it's owls, I don't know what, but yeah, we have not had good luck. But I told him to hang tight. I'll try to find him a mate when the animal swaps start in April. And he's cold right now, he's shivering. Their feathers, guys, aren't like the other ducks. He does like going out to the pond, and he is shaking pretty good right now. You want me to put you in the coop for a while? No, because you'll come right back out. But anyhow, his feathers, when he gets in the pond out there, when it's this cold, he gets the ice clumps on him. It's not like the ducks. They just, well, everybody knows how the duck is. The water just runs right off their back. These Muscovy ducks, they're not that. They got more, I guess the only way I could explain it is their tail feathers, and that are more like probably more like a chicken. But yeah, he's chilly. Tell everybody hi. You gonna be okay? Yes. They're following me. You move like an old man, and you're not old at all. You was just a baby. Yeah. I'll be all right. Just leave me alone. Go over there and share the straw with these other crazy ones. There she is. There's old Fluff Butt. Where'd she go? There's old Fluff Butt. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Well, hello, darling. Are you going to make your way over to your friends? You need snowshoes? So pretty. She's hiding on us, guys. Yep. That is a silky frizzle. And her, I have to call him mate, it's just a regular silky. We do have, that's kind of crazy. We got, I think I have 2 frizzle hens right now that I know of. I mean, I got banny hens, but no, all the rest of the silkies we have are roosters. It's crazy. They're all enjoying their sit down now that the geese got out of here. Those white geese hogging it up. That duck over there, some of them ducks got some frost on their tail feathers too. Hello, Guinea. Yes, Jen. I love your guinea. I just love your guinea. That guinea, you know, I like the sound of guinea. Usually ours, other ones, they only make that noise. This little guinea here, I don't know if it's a male or a female. But she does that all the time, even when she's in the coop. Are you coming out to see everybody? Whoa! She can fly good. There goes Blue. Benny's down. Those 2 boys, like I said, Betty, the white peacock there, our female, she stays in the coop. She's been in that coop for 2 days now. These boys, oh, up in the cedar tree. He's going to see if he can get himself some food. I'll probably have to add some more to the saucer. Looks like old Blue, he's gonna park her back down there and keep his feet warm. And he does during the day. He goes into that coop right there, so. Yep. Pretty quiet out here, guys. Pretty quiet. There's Betty. There's Betty. I'm a-coming, guys. I'm a-coming. I have not done chores yet. I figured I'd do a little video with the chickens, because we did a chore video last night, guys. And if anybody's wondering, Mallory did go to work. I don't know if she's feeling any better this morning or not, but... And she said, well, do you want me to go out and do the rabbits and that? I said, no, I'm going to sit here and drink a few cups of coffee. And I did. I drank 3 cups of coffee. And then I'm going to go out, do the chores, and go from there. I guess we can go inside and check on Lucy, even though the camera's on in there. So the camera ain't so much on Lucy right now as it is on Nature. And I had to laugh. She come out here last night. She did make an appearance, guys. She did come out, and she went in there with that goat, Nature, and she come back out. She says, it's gonna be forever since she's gonna have them babies. I said, well, you're the one that told me she was ready. We'll have to hook the light back up. I had another thing that's supposed to be coming today is I had a Amazon credit. Let me kill that again, guys. There we go. I had an Amazon credit. So I got one of them Mr. Heater little buddy heaters and the hose and the setup. You can hook a 20-pound cylinder to, so we can use out here. That seemed to have really good reviews. So sorry if I'm too close. That little buddy heater seemed to have really good reviews. So I seen, even on the small tank without the adapter, if it's on low, it'll go 5.5 hours. Cause this thing here, I mean, it'll heat it up in here, that little Eden Pure. But yeah, I'm sure it's running the electric bill up. It looks like she's moved forward again, guys. Definitely looks like she's moved forward. It definitely looks like you haven't had no babies. Seems to be all you're doing is pooping a lot. Maybe I can pitchfork some of that out of there for you in a little bit. You got sleepy eyes, though. You got the sleepy eyes. Tell everybody, it'll be soon. I think it's going to be soon. I went back and was looking at some past videos last night, and I believe she had them. Like I said, I've said that before. I was home and I was inside. I don't know. Yeah, because we didn't have the dishwasher. She got that afterwards, and I installed that. But no, we didn't have. So I was doing dishes, and she was in the other hut out there, and it was in February. I think she had them on February 26th last year. So I put them in there roughly at the same time. It would be better if we had ultrasounds and all that, but we got a pretty good idea. And she's real good about feeling when they get loose back there, the tendons and that. So I do think it will be here shortly. That's my guess, guys. Don't hold me to that, but that's my guess. But I said I don't. Now, if she doesn't have them, and if it gets up to that 40-degree temperature range, yeah, I can put her back outside for a little while, as long as, somebody's here to watch her. Won't leave her cooped up in there. If she doesn't have them by Sunday, I mean, she can go outside and get some exercise and move around and that and see her buddies. But yeah, 40. I think I got that Eden Pure heater there set on 55. So, and they're still on the thing. There's a little bit of frost on the walls, but it's definitely warmer in here than it is outside. Well, guys, they will get fresh water in here and that, and when I do the chores here just shortly. I know some of you guys probably want to stick around and do the chores with me, but like I said last night, it's pretty hard when you're just holding the camera quicker. And I thought we'd do something a little bit different today and show a little bit of chickens, talk about chickens, ducks. I'm sure they're over here just waiting for me. Oh, I had to laugh last night too, because I went in there and she goes, I think you fed them pretty heavy yesterday. And I laughed. I said, yeah, watch this video. Watch this video when it's done uploading. I admit that I fed them a little heavy because they still had hay in their feeders. And usually with the goats, we don't have hay in the feeders. So they pretty good. We'll see. And there he is again. Look at him. Poor Angie can't have her doghouse. She's just standing out there. Totes is in that little doghouse. And old Bighorn's there, Dakota, they're just rubbing horns. Carl's just standing there doing Carl things. I know, Stormy. I know you guys are ready. Dad's coming. Just talking to everybody for a minute, and then I'll get on to the chores. That way, I'll go let Millie back out too, guys, because she's raring to come out here and do her running around. I didn't want to. What I was trying to do, I had my phone going at the same time. I was trying to get a little short video of them chickens that's been in there for 2 days, but no, they're just sauntering in and out of there. And they might not want to come out. The little petite ones, the silkies and the frizzles, they're the ones that seem to want to come out. Got pretty tough birds overall. Probably tougher than me. No, I'm doing all right. Well, guys, I don't know how long I've had you, but yeah, we showed something a little different. And like I always say, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see y'all over. No, we'll see y'all later. Love you guys. Later.